Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Yes, my setting is still temporary and I've moved into my sister's house now. Even I got fed up. So, another week I think we'll be back to base. And till then, of course, let's continue our readings, Leo. Let's see what wants to show up for you today. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. Alright, Leo, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Leo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, Leo, Knight of Swords in reverse, Eight of Cups, Strength, Justice, Six of Cups, the Empress, the High Priestess, Eight of Wands, and the Seven of Pentacles. Bottom of my deck, I have the Three of Pentacles. I have a feeling somebody wants to work on things once again. They're feeling very frustrated and very upset that the person has walked away. Maybe somebody, I think this is the Empress who walked away and is holding back, very strong, holding back, because I think something happened here which created some kind of rift between the two of you. This Empress is turning away from even the reading. Look at this, saying, hey, I don't want to be part of all this. I was not done justice to. This person was a false soulmate. I'm not interested. I know the truth now. Certain things came out in the open. I'm not even interested in talking to this person anymore. And the other person's in disappointment, Seven of Pentacles. But let's see. Let's start with some dialogue message cards, Leo. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify these cards. Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Leo and their person. Leo and their person. Oops, that's too many. Let's keep these three. I'm going to take a few Leo from another deck, and if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Leo and their person. Okay. Let's take a couple more from here, Leo. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. Okay. So the first card here, Leo, says, I tried to help you with your addictions, but you took me and my love for granted. I was happy and carefree before, but then you kept taking from me. You stole my heart, my love, my light, and my well-being. I'm trying to recover from this and heal myself. I think said by this Empress. I'm healing from deep trauma after losing you in the physical world. On reflection, I realized my inability to put myself first let me down. But as you're my mirror, I feel ultimately I let you down. I'm so sorry I could not be there for you when you needed me the most. I didn't know how to make myself a priority, and in not doing so, I lost the biggest part of me. You. I know you think you broke me, but don't give yourself so much credit. I'm not porcelain. I might have a few cracks, but I let the light in and allowed it to shine back into the world. Don't worry about fixing me so much as you should worry about fixing yourself. I'm not currently feeling in the right place for a relationship right now. I do see us together in future. I believe you are my destiny. I can't get you out of my head. I think about you always. I know that we are soulmates, forever entwined for eternity. I want to protect you, steal your smiles, stop your tears, and wake up to kiss you every morning. I want to show you that you're the best thing that's happened to me. I see my future with you. Please make time for me. I've never felt such an intense connection. But I think by now this Empress has already turned their back. Let's start with an angel blessing card, Leo. Let's see what my angels have for you first, and we'll start the clarification. So, my angels for my Leo gang, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo. Retreat. This could literally be retreating from the relationship, which I think this Empress is already doing. Or this could also mean maybe you guys need to spend some quality time and go for a holiday and make up, I guess. Let's put this here. Each one of you will have a different version of this retreat card, I guess. But from what I'm feeling, the retreat is from the connection, from the cards that I see here. So Knight of Swords, Spirit, what happened here? Knight of Swords. My God, Eight of Cups again. So somebody, I think, was a bit rash in this connection. They maybe took their person for granted. They didn't show this Empress that respect that an Empress deserves, right? And yes, this card came out twice, Eight of Cups, Eight of Cups. This Empress kept going further and further and further away from this connection, retreated from the connection, and now is very strong and holding back, Leo. Strength card, Spirit, for yeah, this person has lost their whoever walked away from the connection, who I think is this Empress. They feel that their person was very petty. They were playing stupid petty games, and they're kind of not even excited about the connection anymore, lost their enthusiasm for it. I don't even feel motivated enough. This person didn't do justice with me. They didn't do right by me. They never offered me any commitment, and created some horrible memories now in this connection. Some bad memories have been created. What I think this Empress was looking for was something very stable and solid, which could grow over the years. But I think either somebody got caught here, Leo, doing something which they shouldn't have, or it's like this kind of connection just backfired. It just backfired on somebody who was trying to avoid commitment, maybe, or avoid or to just be petty and take this Empress for granted. So this Empress is sitting here looking beautiful in the upright. So I'm going to give her the mic, Leo. Let's see what she wants to say to us. So Empress, what do you have to say to us? Why are you looking away from this connection? Empress is again saying the same thing. This person, yes, I thought they were a soulmate, but they were so petty, they created some bad memories in this connection. Well, I'm not confused anymore. I choose myself. I think that's what this Empress is trying to say. I'm going to try again. Empress, what else do you want to say to us? What else do you want to say to us? Yes, Empress says, I've given up. I've given up. I am now taking control, taking charge of my own life. I don't want to waste any time. I'm the Empress. I don't want to waste time looking back in sorrow and regret and feeling, oh my God, wasted time, energy. I don't have any time to waste. I'm the Empress. I'm looking away because, you know what? I'm looking for my Emperor. This person wasn't it. This person really wasn't it. High Priestess in reverse. I think this Empress wasn't told by anyone else, but their own guides, their own spirituality. I think this Empress could have gone into a little bit of reflection mode and thought long and hard, and the secrets which this Empress's intuition knew got revealed to them. And they took this stance of saying, I am retreating and I'm going to guard myself now. And stopped communication. Eight of Wands in reverse. Eight of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Eight of Wands in reverse. Eight of Wands in reverse. Yes, this Empress is blocking off anyone who is not going to do right by them. This is like, no, I'm not going to allow anyone but somebody who's going to be very responsible, who's going to have equal give and take, who's going to actually put something in this connection. I'm blocking off. I'm going for somebody new. And I'm looking for somebody like this. Somebody who's responsible for a connection. Seven of Pentacles, Spirit. Seven of Pentacles. Yes, I think this Empress has lost trust now. This Empress has been very, very disappointed, I would say, that things didn't grow in this connection, but is now heavily guarding themselves, and they don't trust this person anymore. That's the problem. So what about the other person, Spirit? Can I have 3 cards on the other person? This was such a one-sided reading. What about the other person now? How are they feeling? One more. Well, because I think this Empress has... they're watching. They're watching this Empress. They know that this person is very upset with them. This Empress is very angry and upset with them. They are realizing that this communication has stopped from this Empress's side. They feel this Empress giving up on them, on this connection, and this Two of Cups. They feel they've lost it because now they see this Empress looking really good on their own, being happy, independent, and maybe going off on a retreat by themselves, Leo. So yes, one person has given up and taking off to look for their real emperor. That's all I have for you, Leo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.